Explorers. Today, we're going to take you on a virtual journey around the globe using the amazing Google Earth app on your PC. Get ready to discover breathtaking landscapes, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems from the comfort of your own home. Google Earth is a powerful and interactive mapping tool that allows you to explore the Earth's surface using satellite imagery, aerial photography, and 3D terrain. It's like having a virtual globe at your fingertips. To begin your adventure, visit the Google Earth website and download the app for your PC. Once installed, launch the application and get ready to embark on a journey of discovery. Google Earth is a powerful and interactive mapping tool that allows you to explore the Earth's surface using satellite imagery, aerial photography, and 3D terrain. It's like having a virtual globe at your fingertips. You can try Google Earth for Chrome and as well on mobile or tablet. Let's launch Google Earth from browser. Here is the Google Earth interface. On the right, you'll find the navigation controls, including zoom, tilt, and rotation. On the left, you'll see the search bar, where you can enter specific locations or landmarks to explore. Now, let's dive into exploring the world. You can start by searching for a specific location or landmark. Simply enter the name in the search bar and watch as Google Earth takes you there. Let's search for the Taj Mahal in Agra, India. And there it is. You can see the stunning 3D model of the Taj Mahal right on your screen. Use the navigation controls to zoom in, tilt, and explore the area around it. Google Earth offers layers and content that enhance your exploration. You can activate different layers like roads, borders, and even real-time weather information. You can also discover curated content, such as guided tours, 360-degree photos, and educational information about historical sites and natural wonders. You can see the Yamuna River and its course. Welcome to a fascinating journey along the course of the Yamuna River, one of the longest and most sacred rivers in India. The Yamuna River originates from the Yamunotri Glacier in the lower Himalayas, considered to be one of the sacred sources of the river. As the Yamuna meanders through the plains of northern India, it passes through various cities and landmarks of historical and cultural significance. From the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra to the historic Red Fort in Delhi, the Yamuna River has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, leaving behind a rich tapestry of history and heritage. Let's now go to Himalayas. Fellow adventurers, join me as we delve into the mystical realm of the Himalayas, where nature's wonders meet ancient traditions. Welcome to the breathtaking world of the Himalayas, a towering and awe-inspiring mountain range that stretches across several countries. The Himalayas, often referred to as the roof of the world, is the highest mountain range on Earth, encompassing numerous peaks reaching astonishing heights. From the mighty Mount Everest to the majestic Kanchenjunga, the Himalayas showcase nature's remarkable craftsmanship.